Alright, here's an update on my vertical finless fleet. See, we removed all of the vertical fins from them now. And these four right here are now equipped with Bluetooth for at the field programming on the spot. The icon there. Bluetooth is mounted right there on the side. And then the 700 Bluetooth module is mounted in there. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Got our batteries and stuff ready to fly. We're still working on the copter with the vbar on it. I want to replace that servo with a DS520 in a couple of months. Not finna spend any more money right now. Time to take it easy. Yep, and the full size V-bar without a BEC, high voltage servos, and they're running 7.4 volts quite naturally. The 500 with the ikon. ZYXS2. Kbar and your robot. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the spectacular flight. I got room to fly on these. Well, probably just take those four. Yeah, the Robird, the S2, the Icon, and the V-bar. Kbar is just gonna be my beater. Playing with the settings on the Kbar, getting more familiar with them. So I don't need to do any tuning with the 700. It's good. Thanks for watching.